week's Ask a Cat Lady question comes from Linda. And Linda says, why is my cat licking all of the fur off her back end? She has literally licked all of the fur off her haunches and tail. She has other weird behaviors like growling at her tail and chasing it, not so much to play but to bite it. Basically, she's a nut, but she's very loved. Well, I am glad you love your kitty despite the quirky behavior, and I have a few things to say about that. And she should definitely go to a vet. When you see your kitty start to snack on her flanks, her tail, or her back, and you suspect something is whack, yo, you better treat it while she's intact. Oh, after you rule out diet allergies, check for an infestation of fleas. Baldness on the tail or face is likely where mites and fleas like to be. Feline alopecia means they're bald but not sexy. That is the best way to find the cure and the best way to respond. Or it could be hyperesthesia, a kind of crazy grooming seizure. Then their muscles roll back before attack. This alopecia is psychogenic. Feline alopecia means they're bald but not sexy. That is the best way to find the cause and the best way to respond. Stress can make us all want to pull out our hair, and cats cannot punch walls or cry or swear like me. So take it easy if they're going bald. Give them more attention than plain period. Feline alopecia means they're bald but not sexy. That is the best way to find the cause and the best way to respond. Oh, 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 oh. Hey, I'm going to be doing an online streaming web show for all of the internets, including you, and it's going to be next Tuesday, January 29th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you want to come to the concert, it'll be on www.stageit.com, or you can also go to saradonner.com, my website, and check out my tour dates, and you can get the exact link that you'll need to come to the Stage It show. So I hope to see you there in the chat room. I will sing, you will chat. Goodbye.